solve this problem. But before you solve, you observe first. Here you have log to base 2, log to base 2, and here 1. So you also make here 2 to have log to base 2 without changing the problem. So see what you will do. Because if the log and the number are the same, that means that will be 1. That's why we have log to base 2 here. If you like, you can use base 3, but we want it to be uniform. That's how we do. Then this log to base 2, log to base 2 will go. So you have now x plus 1 over x minus 1 equals to 2. You now cross multiply. So you have so you open this bracket now, you have 2x minus 2 equals to x plus 1. So you have 2x minus x plus 2 plus 1. 2x minus x, you have x equals to 2 plus 1, 3. That is the final answer. Bye bye. Please share this video.